Hey everybody, welcome into my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to find cash buyers through PropStream. Now, for those of you who do not have PropStream, stay till the end of the video. I got some great news for you, and let's jump on over and get started.
Okay, back to my screen share here with PropStream. Okay, I showed you before how you're going to find the regular sales versus the cash sales. Same way, guys. Okay, so let's actually do a bigger area here. We know which market we're going to try to target. We know which few zip codes we're going to try to target now. But let's go a little bit bigger and say, okay, everybody in this city might want stuff in that zip code, even if they don't always buy in that zip code. So we're gonna put in Orlando. Okay, and we're going to do this the same way we did it before. We're going to filter out commercial. We're going to filter out everything but single family. And we're going to look at the last 6 months sales. Okay, so give it a minute to think. So you can see we got 5,593 sales. And if we want to look at our cash buyers, we have 997. That's a lot of cash buyers to contact at once, but you can work your way through them. One of the really cool things about PropStream is you can do skip tracing. Yes, it costs money, but you can do skip tracing straight through here. And as you can see, we got about 1,000, so it'd be $27 a piece. Or 27 cents a piece. Oops. Okay, now let's take a look at, let's say you already have a property and you're trying to sell it, or you have a listing and you're trying to sell it, because I know a lot of you in here are realtors. So let's just pick an address. We'll just use this one, 2609 Talladega. Okay. I'm just going to do this real quick so you can see the kind of information you can get. So if you click on the property, as you can see, you can find comps. Okay. And you can narrow down your comps by property class and property type like we did before. Okay, so here's your comps. You got 46 comps in a half-mile radius, but you've also got 150 cash buyers. Okay, so if you click on that tab right there, it's going to show you your cash buyers. Something to be kind of aware of with this system too. Let's scoot this over a little bit. You want to look at your sales date when you're pulling up to cash buyers like this, because it's not going to differentiate old sales versus current sales. There's our sales date. As you can see, you've got stuff from 2014. So you want to go over to your sale date and sort it by your sale date. See, there you go. Now you got the sales in a half mile that were cash that have sold going all the way back to, I think, 2000 is what it was. So you would probably want to contact the ones in the last 6-8 months and see if they were ready for a new property. And that is how you find the cash buyers in PropStream. Again, you can check this list and you can skip trace it, you can add it, and do all of those things. So save the list. And that is how you find the cash buyers in PropStream. If you're not going to skip trace them, you can find the information here, if you click on the property, and it'll open it up in another tab, so you can see. As soon as it opens, you can see. So you can see the owner name. In this particular one, it's a company. It's a company out of Arizona. So you may want to check the corporate records in Arizona. I'm not sure if Arizona is public or not. But we can do another one just so you can see what I'm talking about here. Okay, and like you see right here, the owner on this one is Robert Jones, and here's his address, so you could skip trace that or look him up on social media or any of those ways to get these people. So that's how you find the cash buyers on PropStream.
And we're back. So if you don't have access to the MLS and you're trying to find a system where you can pull comps, and Zillow is, we'll just say, difficult. Property appraiser site, that works, but yeah, you know. So for those of you who do not have PropStream, there is a link down below for you. It can get you a 2-week free trial so you can check it out. And then if you want to continue, that's on you. But it'll get you the free trial and you can kind of peruse and find out if it's going to work for you. So jump on down there and try that. And if you found this information useful, please like and share this video. Subscribe to the channel because I'm going to be sharing a lot of great content for you guys and helping you make a lot of money. So I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.